In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about saving multiple searches under one single campaign banner. So let's say that, for example, that you've run a search, and my example here is landscape gardening. So now we want to be able to kind of build this campaign out. So what we're going to do is we want to save these results. So we don't have to run this search again, so we've got all of the details. So I'm just simply going to come up here and go to save. Now, what this screen shows me is that I can save it to an existing campaign, or I can create a new campaign. So these are the campaigns that I have in the background there. Let's create a landscape one. So I'm creating a new campaign and I'm clicking on save. Now, what I'm able to do now is run a completely separate search. So let me go and do that. And we'll run our search. Perhaps this time, instead of being on landscape gardening, we want to go a little bit sideways so that we can really start to build bigger and bigger audiences. So maybe I just want to go something like retaining walls. Okay, now obviously these are examples. So we'll run a search very quickly on retaining walls, and we'll see if we can find the same sort of audience. We want to really try and build it up, so we'll run those analysis. And what we're now able to do, we'll let that run just for a moment. And the point being that I can analyze the data across multiple searches so that I can build my lists together, if that makes sense. I can really, I can expand out my campaign. If I'm looking for a local business that might be involved in doctors or chiropractic as an example, chiropractors might want to find all the local sporting clubs. So we could create an umbrella project called chiropractic and then run searches for chiropractors and sporting clubs and new mothers, etc. So I can create an umbrella of a campaign and save multiple searches. So now I've got this one. I want to save this, but I want to save it under the same campaign that I created a moment ago, which was the landscape campaign. So let me save that one there. So then what happens is when I'm looking at campaigns, I come up here to my menu and I've got this one called campaigns, and I can see this umbrella style approach. And I've got the option to refresh any given search. So this will save that search, all the data's saved. There it is, and I can add my lists. I can be putting these together. All of these related sites, so these are competitive sites. Maybe I want to run that analysis just on that one site and save it under the same umbrella. So again, I can go through my results, I can reanalyze, and I can keep them all together in a campaign style of umbrella. So that way, when I'm looking for my data, I can categorize it, I can keep it all together. All the related searches about one particular topic are kept together. So again, I'll save this one in my landscape campaign, save, and when I look at my campaigns, there they are, and I've got those 3 different searches that are going through, and I can bring the data together by using the lists across those campaigns. So that's how to save campaigns with the DataJEO system, being able to link all of the related searches together so that all of my data is saved in one place and I can work across different searches within a single campaign.